Hey guys, this is Nadine's Secret Garden. Hope everyone is doing good. I am fabulous, blessed and highly favored. I've been getting a lot of requests wanting updates on the effects that the winter storm have placed on my garden. This video will be the first of many. I will try to do it in increments, not overwhelming you all with long drawn out videos. I've been reaching out to a lot of gardeners, coming up with a plan of action on how I should navigate the cleanup process in my garden. Guys, I've been getting a lot of mixed messages, and I'm not sure what route I want to take. A few is saying, leave the plants alone for a month or two. Others are telling me, cut the limbs down as far as I can and feed the trees. A few are saying, don't feed the trees. It does not make any sense. The trees are not going to absorb the nutrients. I don't get that concept, but okay. Others are saying, do not cut the limbs. Leave it as is. Leave the plant as is and water as much as possible. Me pasa. I really don't know what I'm gonna do. My gut feeling is telling me to cut down the limbs, feed the trees, and start giving it regular water. I'm assuming that will give it a fighting chance. Give it the nutrients it needs to fight for survival. That might be it. Today's video will be covering the effects of the tropical fruit trees from the winter storm. Most of you know that I do move all of my tropical fruit trees indoors anytime we have freeze temperature in my area. However, my house went down to below freeze temperature for 3 consecutive days. That being said, I lost 8 mango trees that was indoors. 8. So this video is going to be lesson learned for all of us. If you're in a freeze climate, know that those variety mangoes cannot withstand freeze temperature. I lost 8 of them. 1 mango tree costs between $100 and $150. I will save y'all from the financial strain. Always emphasizing now, please purchase fruit trees that's under warranty. This is a hard lesson for me to learn. Hard. I will stop the video for now. I will go into the garden and give you an update on all of the tropical fruit trees. Here we go. Please excuse my garden. It still looks chaotic, out of order. This is not how I operate. I have to have everything in order, and this drives me crazy, but I am trying my best to get it under control. Here we go with my tropical collections. This area is my newly purchased tropicals, or I've been having them for the last year and have not transplanted them into bigger pots. Here's the Florida Gone Mango. Back there is the pecan. Taiwan guava, Thailand guava. Have you all heard of this? Where is it? This is called the dream herb. You drink it as a tea and it's supposed to make your dreams vivid. I'm scared to try it. Everyone I've asked to try it, it's like, hell no. I am really scared to try it. Here is green tea right here. What is this, guys? curry, Cherry. I just purchased this 2 weeks ago. Is the red sugar apple. Over here is most of my mango collections. The mango varieties that did not make it this year was 3 Valencia, Cockshell, Buttercream, Madame Francis, Alfonso, and Nam Dok Mai. There was one more that I am missing. I will let y'all know. This first row right here is 4 of my sugar apples. This sugar apple in front of us, she's been in my life since 2017. Last year, she provided over 30 sugar apples on this one tree. Yes, guys, you can grow sugar apple in the Houston area. The trick is you will have to hand pollinate them to get as much production as possible. Carrie, Glen, Hayden Mango always produces mangoes for me. One of the mango trees that did survive that I want to point out is the Bombay Mango right here. This mango tree started a mildew infestation. You can see the evidence of some of my mango trees that was affected by it. I can't remember exactly when last year I neglected to handle the problem right away. It affected my other mango trees, but they're coming back. They're coming back. I will have to spray them again. Just look at this. Cotton candy mango. I cannot wait to try this mango. One of my concerns with my mango trees, all of them started flowering November, December of 2020. And I was so concerned because I was not sure if they would flower again in spring. But sure enough, this pecan mango is right back at it. Also, the cotton candy mango, she's flowering again. I'm hoping all my other mangoes follow suit and reflower. I have 4 Cherry mangoes. That's how much I love it. Julie mango, one of the Caribbean most popular mango, is the parent of the Cherry mango. I had one more, Nam Dok Mai. She does not look like she's gonna make it. This fantastic avocado does not look promising either. Behind her is the Jamaican cherry. I have 2 on hand. Never tasted them. I purchased them last year, hoping this year they might surprise me and bear fruit. Here is the Jaboticaba. She was transplanted 3/27/20. Over here is the Automaya. I've been having this Automaya since 2018. I have yet to taste any Automayas. I never find the time to pollinate her. And apparently you have to pollinate by hand. I got a flower on her. Cambola, star fruit, waking up. Here's another star fruit waking up. The move indoors broke a lot of her limbs. Needless to say, she's coming back. Back here is a June plum. Here is most of my sugar apples. I have 12 in this section. They are waking up. Look at my babies, they're waking up. I'm excited. All my sugar apples, the majority of them is right here. Wake up, babies, wake up. Okay, here we go. My patio section, which is not very pleasant to look at. This was the Rio cherry. I am praying to God and all the disciples, the saints, that she comes back. Let's see how long I've had this cherry tree. I planted her 2017-18. Right here is the Catalina guava. God, guys, this is bad. Over here is the pineapple guava. And here is a key lime. Y'all get to see the sad truth. Back here is an Indian white variety guava. Some pomegranates I have to transplant, which is going to be real soon. Here is the majority of my guava trees. Well, I have 11 varieties of guavas. 4 pink guavas, ruby red, Peruvian, Century 21, Hong Kong guava. I can see the names of a few of them. Which one are you? Hello, baby. Tikal guava. This is the 2 guavas that I uprooted when the winter storm was on the way. When I uprooted them, I expected them to be in the warmth of my home, not uproot them to bring them below freezing temperature in my home. Right here is all my dragon fruits. I have 9 varieties of dragon fruits. Physical graffiti, voodoo dragon, let's see, Costa Rica, purple haze, 9 different varieties. Here's my dragon fruits, my guavas, you saw my mango. Let's move over here. I did uproot some pubs of my ice cream banana, and they're doing good. 1, 2, 3, ice cream banana. This is where my dashing resides. You can see they're starting to poke out slowly but surely, which is amazing. My citrus project, I was working on transferring 5-gallon containers into 15-gallon containers. Here is my ice cream banana. When I tell you the production this ice cream banana gave, unbelievable. Let's hope that it comes back. I have a moringa right here. I did a scratch test. She does look green. Let's keep our fingers crossed with her. This was, God, why can't I remember the name? Come on, Nadine. Why can't I remember the name of this girl? Passion fruit. I'm so sorry, guys. This was passion fruit. I definitely not trusting that she will come back. I have tried passion fruit a few times, and every year I have to purchase new ones. All right, let's see. We're going. Now here is my citrus collections in pots. Guys, look at this. Oh my God. If y'all can smell how delicious my garden smells with all these flowers, it's amazing. It's amazing, guys. transplanting all this citrus, we counted 87 citrus trees on my property. 63 in pots and the rest is in ground. Beautiful. Look at this. Look at this, guys. I have 7 different varieties of grapefruit. Here's one. Oh God, satsuma. You name it, I have it. All right. You know what? I am going to give you all a bonus clip. I believe this is a honey mandarin. I'm going to give you all a bonus clip. The apple trees are flowering. They're waking up. Look at this. This citrus tree looks dead. Have no hope for her. Who would have thought this would even be alive in the state that we're viewing her? Guys, look at this. Can you see? Oh God, where's my gloves? Look at this baby right here. How beautiful is this? How beautiful is this? She's waking up. This gives me affirmation that my citrus trees will make it. Here's another one right here. She does not look good, does she? Look at this. Oh my God. This is God, guys. This is God at work. This is beautiful. Oh God, let's see. She has green on her, but there's no signs of new leaf. Oh, look at this right here. Look at this. Look at this. My babies are reassuring me that everything is going to be okay. Do you see the green coming out right here? Hold on. Let me see. I'm trying to get a good... Come on, baby. Show them your beauty. Show them you're waking up. Come on, honey. Do you see it, guys? Right here. And here's another one coming right here. That's 3 citrus trees waking up. I am confident. I am very, very confident. And it makes me feel really good. Here is a Mexican cream guava, one of the sweetest guavas I've ever tasted. I'm praying for her. I'm praying that she will survive. Here is a June plum that was planted in ground. She does not look well. Here is a white guava. Praying for her also. Maya lemon. And look at this. Look at God at work. I cannot tell y'all what this banana tree is. It's a dwarf variety. Not sure. My loquat. She flowered. She set fruit. All the fruits froze. Oh boy. Here is an avocado. Joey avocado. Mexican cream guava. Not sure what to say. We'll see. We will see. And here is a pomegranate. Look at my sugar cane. Oh, look at how my sugar cane looks. Well, this bad girl is coming up. It's a purple flower. Oh, let's see. What is it? Betex? Let's see, Betex. Ah, guys, look at this. Ay, ay, ay. It's all good though, it's all good. Oh, this climbing rose. Nothing can defeat her. I am gonna walk back there and show y'all moringa and the guava. One of my ruby red guava. Oh boy. Ay, ay, ay. Oh boy. This is an avocado. Haze avocado. If y'all saw how beautiful this avocado trees looked. Oh my goodness. And now the avocado. Oh my goodness, guys. Let's see. Joey. She was planted 2018. This avocado tree was 12 foot tall. Beautiful. Here is my moringa, the tree of life. I tried putting dragon fruits around her so they can climb on her. They did not make it. This is my superstar, my ruby red guava. This guava tree is my pride and joy. This guava tree just the most delicious ruby red guava I have ever tasted. Let's keep hope alive. I've had her for a few years and I'm hoping that she will bounce back. Not sure what variety of banana this is. Guys, yeah. Slowly but surely. I'm hoping they come back. More citrus. Cara, blood orange. Some of my apple trees over here. Okay, I'm not gonna make this video too long. I'm gonna cut it right now.